Hello guys. Now I will show you how you can add a profile picture to your webmail. So now I have opened a webmail. If I send any email from my webmail, just I want to attach my profile picture with my webmail. So let's check how we can do that. I'm opening a Gmail and just want to see if any profile picture is attaching by default. So let's see what is happening by default. My email is open here. Let's copy the email from here. Then if I send a test email from my webmail, just testing, and let's send it. And here you will receive a new email, and if you see it, my email address without any profile picture. So I just want to set a profile picture wi- without blank profile picture. So I just want to set a real profile picture here. So as it is webmail, in my webmail portal I don't see any option to set the profile picture. But if you want, then you can link up your Gmail profile picture to your webmail. So let's check it how you can do that. So it's my personal email, and I want to log in a email account which is going to be linked up to my webmail. So normally we don't have any option to set the profile picture, but we have option to uh, link up the Gmail profile picture to your webmail. So that's case you have to log into your Gmail account which you want to set up. Then after logged in, you just have to click on the manage your Google account. Then simply just click on personal info, and here you will see the contact info section. Then click on it. Here you will see the alternative emails. Just click on manage alternative emails, and here mainly you just need to add your webmail. So copy your webmail from here and add other email. So once you add your webmail here, that means your webmail is going to link up with your Gmail to attach your profile picture, and it has sent a verification email to your webmail. I have received it here, and you just need to approve it. Now you can see that successfully added your webmail to your Gmail. Now if we send another email, I think we have added the Gmail profile picture to your webmail. Let's test another email. Now click on it. A email has been sent to your Gmail. Let's check your Gmail again. So I can see that the email is here, and if you click on it and refresh your page, you can see it here. The Gmail picture is successfully added to your webmail. So let's delete those two email completely and try again. And send email again. I think now by default we will see the profile picture. Yes, you can see that the profile picture has been added with your webmail. So this was the simple tips. If you want to set your webmail picture, then just follow up the video. Thank you.